Hi, welcome to another episode of
LiQWYD.
Today we have some guests and they are
I'm Nicolette.
And I'm Kayla.
And as usual, I'm Hendrix.
and I'm Eltonia.
Today we'll be cooking rice and sausage curry. Our ingredients today are
Washed rice, sausage, coconut oil, cooking oil, soy sauce, salt, green bell pepper, tomatoes, and onions.
So we start off by pan frying the sausages. After the oil has heated up, we put the sausages.
We now wait until they are brown on both sides. So we continue. Make sure that they are brown on both sides, and also make sure that the oil is not too much, since we are going to fry them again. So as you can see, we are continuing very well. We are now waiting for the other side to brown. Nico. We will now cover them for some minutes. So as you can see, we are still there. In just a few moments they'll be ready. So now our sausages are ready. It's now time to cut them.
We then cut the sausages into small slices.
So while the sausages are being cut, we'll now start cooking our rice. We're going to add our onions. So we are going to start by cooking our onions. So as you can see, Nicolette is finishing cutting the onions. Cutting the sausages.
We are done.
So we are going to add water. 2 cups of water, and we're going to wait for it to boil. Also remember to put in your salt. And we stir carefully.
After stirring, we now wait for it to boil.
We now add in the coconut oil.
And then we stir.
The coconut oil helps to bring a nice and good flavor to the rice,
making it taste better, and even the aroma
is also nice.
Because my hands are clean, I will just pour the rice. So we'll just wait for the rice to simmer.
We now fry the onions, but now we now fry the onions into the heated oil.
Let us now check how our rice is going on.
Now that our water has drained, we will now cover it and put it on low heat.
Now that the onions are ready, we then add our tomatoes and stir properly. We'll now cover and wait for them to cook. So we are going to add a little bit of salt because later we are going to add soy sauce and it also contains a little bit of salt in it. We'll then add green bell pepper and make sure you stir. Mix them properly. You can then cover so that they may cook.
As you can see, our rice has already simmered and it's now ready to be served.
So remember, we were cooking sausage curry, and so that to form that curry, we need a lot of tomatoes so that we can form a big paste. And also later we're going to add a little bit of water.
As you can see, our green bell pepper and our tomatoes are ready. We now add our sausages and stir properly. We'll then add our soy sauce, some of it. Now add some water so that our tomato paste might be thick. Now cover and let it cook for a while with low heat. As you can see, our sausage curry is ready and we can now serve it and taste it.
Tasting time.
Very delicious.
This is such an amazing meal to surprise your family and friends with.
It's also a nice and simple meal to prepare.
That's all the time we had for today.
Make sure to tune in next time for amazing recipes.
Kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can be the early bird.
And also, please like, share with your friends, and also don't forget to give a thumbs up. Adios,
Adios,
amigos.
Bye. Tasting time.
Delicious.
This is such an amazing meal to surprise you.